Yeah, I'm about to tell you. Hi, it's Flo and welcome back to FrugalFlo. If you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here for a while, thank you for sticking with me. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another great find that I have from Poundland. Oh my days, Poundland. Okay, right. Max Factor eyeshadow. Yeah, the title said blush. What am I doing with Max Factor eyeshadow? I'm about to tell you. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I have found that orange blush just enhances, it just makes me look alive, makes me look well and healthy, and I like it. I prefer it to pink blush. I was on the hunt for a good orange matte blush, and I was like, I don't want to spend loads. So I'm in Poundland, as I am. And I'm like, oh, that looks nice. Open it up, and I'm like, eyeshadow, maybe. Blush, maybe. So I basically was like, let me try this out as a blush. Sometimes Poundland do sell brands for much cheaper. So this was a Max Factor eyeshadow in the color Cryptic Rust. This is what it looks like. It's a beautiful orange color. I was like, that's gonna go really well, I think, on my skin. So let's swatch it on my hand to show you what it looks like. That's it on my finger. Lovely color. Really good color payoff, and I'm going to put it on my hand so you can see. Can you see that? I'm going to rub it in so you can see. So that is it on my hand. I tested it and was like, yeah, that is going to be beautiful on my skin. And so here we are using a Max Factor eyeshadow as a blush, and I'm going to give you an extra tip later on in the video so you can see how I repurpose it for something else as well. I'm going to get my blush brush. I use whatever brush I can get my hands on, so long as it has a bit of a fan. That's the brush I use. So I'm going to dip some in here, get some on here, yeah, don't need too much, and I'm going to lightly dust it from the middle of my cheek up towards my hairline. So I put some on, and if you can see that there, and then I'm going to start swirling just to spread that out a little bit. Almost like a C, the shape of a C. That's what I do. Can you see that? I think it looks gorgeous. I really like it. So I'm going to do this cheek now. Again, I'm going to swirl in. And this is what I've got. And then I'm going to middle of my cheek, up towards my hairline. I'm going to just like do circles. I just think it looks gorgeous. I think it looks so gorgeous. I'm going to put a bit more so you can see it up close. It is definitely buildable. So get some more on my brush and just swoop in a C motion. That's more than I would usually wear, but it looks good. Get some more on my brush and then in a C kind of shape. Oof. Come on now. Come on now. It looks so good. Okay, right. So this is me looking a bit like a clown. A little bit like a clown because I'm using more than I would usually wear if I was going out, but I want you guys to see it's definitely buildable. Right, okay, so here we have something that was an eyeshadow that I am now repurposing as a blush, and I use it daily. It is gorgeous. I use it without makeup, foundation, just on my bare skin. It's great. Now I also, to bring my look together sometimes, take a tiny bit and I just dust it above my eyes. Look at that. Look, I'll do that. I'll just kind of like do like a little bit like a window wiper type motion. Oof! And I might dust a little bit on my nose. And look at that, you've got a bronzed look that just helps bring your look together. So we've gone from a £1 eyeshadow, and we've gotten a beautiful blush. We've got a little bit of an eyeshadow going on, and we've also got some bronzing. And if you want, you could even dust some on your forehead to bring your look together even more. And I just think that just really, imagine this was £1. £1. So this is how I live the frugal life. And it works. So I thought I'd just share it with you. Because it's matte, it holds up really well. It's great for summer, works really well in the winter months as well. It works with bronzer, without bronzer, other products as well. So I definitely recommend it. It was only £1 in Poundland. I don't know if they still got it, but they've got other stuff. And it's just to let you know, you can like have a look at some eyeshadows. Eyeshadows are quite small. They tend to be cheaper, but you can repurpose them if they're well pigmented. So this is my little frugal tip for you guys. If you like it and you want some more frugal finds, frugal tips, frugal beauty finds, frugal beauty tips, like and subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, and we'll see you next time. Bye.